Good afternoon, everyone. Can you hear me? Or can you see the screen? Then type yes on chat box. Then we will proceed today's lecture. Okay, so today we are discuss about the antiarrhythmic agent, which is part of or class of cardiovascular drug. So, what is antiarrhythmic agent? So, first we are going to know about the cardiac arrhythmia. So, cardiac arrhythmia it means disturbance in the cardiac rhythm or the heartbeats. Now, the definition of antiarrhythmic agent. The agent which are used to correct cardiac arrhythmias are called as antiarrhythmic agent. Okay. Now, classification of antiarrhythmic agent. They have classified into four groups. First one, membrane stabilizing agent. Example, quinidine and procainamide. Second one, beta adrenergic blockers. Example, propranolol. Third one, drug that prolong duration of action potential. Example, breathalium. Breathalium. Okay. Next one, calcium channel blocker. Example, verapamil. So these are the two drugs under the antiarrhythmic agent. First one, quinidine. It is a source. It is obtained from the bark of various species of cinchona. See structure of quinidine. Chemical name 6-methoxy cinchonan 9-OL. Okay. In the 9 position having the OH group. Okay. And this total ring or the total structure is called as cinchonan. Okay, here containing a methoxy group. Properties: white needle like crystal, odorless, bitter in taste, or when it is treated with the bromine water and ammonia produce emerald green color. Uses: antiarrhythmic agent. It is also used to maintain sinus rhythm and it is also used to treat malaria. Pharmaceutical formulation: quinidine tablets and the brand name Finapam and the Natcardine. Okay. Next drug in the class of antiarrhythmic agent, procainamide. It is obtained from the seeds of Strophanthus gratis. Okay. See the structure here in the fourth position, amino group. In the N position, here having the NN diethyl amino benzamide. Okay, the total group it is indicate benzamide. Properties: it is white or yellowish crystalline powder, odorless, and the hygroscopic powder. It is soluble in water and as well as alcohol. Uses: anti-arrhythmic agent, maintain sinus rhythm, and the treat malaria as per quinidine. Uses of quinidine. Pharmaceutical formulation or the official formulation, procainamide tablets and the procainamide injection. In these two form it is consist of procainamide. Brand name Pronestil. Okay, brand name Pronestil. Next class under the cardiovascular drugs, that is anti-hypertensive drugs. So first, what is hypertension? So hypertension means high systematic blood pressure due to defect in the hemodynamic function. Okay. So hypertension it means high systemic blood pressure due to defect in the hemodynamic. As per WHO, it is defined hypertension level state, that is systolic pressure, it is 150 mm of Hg, and diastolic pressure 95 mm of Hg. In between, who is the state that hypertension level. Okay, some level of the anti hypertension. Okay, so normal pressure, it is in between the 120 to in 120 in systolic, 75 or 85 in diastolic mm of Hg. Next one, borderline hypertension, it is the 140 in the systolic, 90 to 95 in the diastolic mm of Hg. Mild hypertension, it between 140 to 160 in the systolic, 95 to 105 diastolic mm of Hg. Moderate hypertension above 140 in systolic, and the 105 to 120 in diastolic mm of Hg. Severe hypertension more than 140 in systolic and more than 120 in diastolic. Okay, these are the levels of hypertension. In the teenager, 110 mm of Hg, it is the diastolic danger level as compared to the 65 older person, which having the pressure near about the 125 mm of Hg. Properties, it should be lowering blood pressure in the all body position. It should lower precapillary resistance without decreasing cardiac output. It should absorb orally. It should be slow detoxification to improve efficiency, or it should not produce tachycardia, hypotension. Okay. Next one, classification of antihypertensive drug. It is classified, majorly classified in the four class. Then they are having the subclasses: neutral mechanism, vascular mechanism, humoral mechanism, and the diuretics. So first, in the neutral mechanism, that classification of neutral mechanism. First, a drug modulating afferent nerve impulses. Example, veratrum alkaloid. Okay. Next one, drug acting on CNS. Example, clonidine. Next class, for the neutral mechanism, drug affecting on noradrenaline pathway. Example, methyl dopa. Third one, next class, ganglion blockers. Example, pentolinium. Next class, drugs acting near prostaglandin nerve ending. Example, reserpine. Next class, adrenergic neuron blocker. Example, guanethidine. Okay. Second class, under the antihypertensive drug, vascular mechanism. It is divided again two major class: adrenergic receptor and the direct acting vasodilator. In the adrenergic receptor, they are having the two adrenergic receptor, alpha blockers and the beta blockers. So alpha blockers, example, prazosin, and the beta blocker, example, propranolol. Second class, direct acting vasodilators. In that, they are divided into three categories: calcium channel blocker, potassium channel activators, and the non-specific vasodilators. Calcium channel blocker, example, nepidepine. Potassium channel activator, example, chromacalin. Non-specific vasodilator, example, minoxidil. Third class, under the antihypertensive drug, humoral mechanism. It is divided into two parts. One, it is drug acting on renin angiotensin system, and the second, aldosterone antagonist. First class, that drug is acting on renin angiotensin system. It is divided into three class: renin inhibitor, example, propranolol; angiotensin converting enzyme inhibitor, example, captopril; angiotensin 2 receptor antagonist, example, saralasin and the losartan. Second class on the humoral in the humoral mechanism, aldosterone antagonist, example spironolactone. Spironolactone. Fourth class under the antihypertensive drug, diuretics, example hydrochlorothiazide and furosemide. You are also did study in the chapter of diuretics. Detailed classification of diuretics in the chapter of diuretics. Okay. First drug under the antihypertensive drug, and it is important for the exam, that is methyl dopa. See structure of the methyl dopa. It contains two alcoholic group. Okay. See name three at three position having the 3,4 dihydroxyphenyl. Okay. At the third position they are having 3,4 dihydroxyphenyl. Okay. 2-methyl L-aniline. 2-methyl L-aniline. Okay. Properties: yellowish white fine powder, odorless, tasteless, soluble in water and the dilute hydrochloric acid. When it treated with ninhydrin in sulfuric acid, dark purple color become yellow when water is added. Okay. Uses to control blood pressure. Also, it is used to control renal hypertension or to control hypertension in the pregnancy. Pharmaceutical formulation: methol dopa tablets, brand name Mdopa and Meldopa. So clonidine, in the syllabus they are no giving any structure or the chemical name for this. Properties: white or yellowish crystalline powder, odorless and the bitterless, taste bitter, soluble in water. Uses: it is used to treat moderate hypertension. Also it is to treat dysmenorrhea, for the prophylaxis of migraine and the cluster headache. The clonidine is used. Pharmaceutical formulation: clonidine tablets and the clonidine injection. Brand name Hyperdine and the Acramine. Okay, Hyperdine and the Acramine. Next drug on the antihypertensive drug, guanethidine. Properties: white crystalline powder, odorless, soluble in water and insoluble in the chloroform. Uses: control hypertension. Also it is used to treat glaucoma. It is used to treat dysthyroid lead retraction. Pharmaceutical formulation: guanethidine tablets and the guanethidine eye drop. Brand name Ismailin. Next drug under the antihypertensive drug, reserpine. Properties: white to slide yellow crystal, insoluble in water and the soluble in chloroform. It is used to treat mild hypertension. It is used as a sedative. Also it is used for the treatment of snake bite. For pharmaceutical formulation: reserpine tablet and the reserpine sustained release capsule. Brand names: Serpacils, Adalefam, Gerbolon. Okay, these are the brand name of the reserpine: Serpacils, Adalefam and the Gerbolon. Next drug under the antihypertensive drug, hydralazine. Properties: white crystalline powder, odorless, saline in taste, soluble in water and alcohol. It is used to control hypertension. Also it is used to improve congestive heart failure. Formulation: hydralazine tablet and the hydralazine injection. Brand name hyperazine, and the alanazine. Next drug under the antihypertensive drug, neperidine, a yellow crystalline substance insoluble in water, soluble in alcohol. It is used to treat or exercise the induced asthma. Also, that in neperidine used for the arthrosclerosis. Pharmaceutical formulation for neperidine capsule, and the brand name Myogard, Nicardia, and the Nepidine. Okay. Next drug under the antihypertensive drugs, captopril uses. It is mild to moderate hypertension. Also, it is used in the diabetic proteinuria, and also it is used to treat refractive congestive heart failure. Pharmaceutical formulation, captopril tablets, a brand name Capoten. Next drug, pentolinium tartarate. It is used to treat severe hypertension. Also, it is used to produce peripheral vasodilation, and it is reduce movement of gastrointestinal tract. Pharmaceutical formulation, pentolinium injection, and brand name Ansolinsen. Next drug under the antihypertensive drug, that is the mecalamine hydrochloride. Okay, it is used to treat severe hypertension. It is used to produce peripheral vasodilation. Also, it reduces movement of gastrointestinal tract, same as the pentolinium tartarate. Okay, both the uses are same. Pharmaceutical formulation, mecalamine tablets, and the brand name Inversine. Okay, brand name Inversine. So these are the 9 drugs we have studied under the antihypertensive drug. Okay. So first one, methyl dopa is very important. Then properties of clonidine, guanethidine, reserpine. Properties, uses, and pharmaceutical formulation. Brand name are okay, hydralazine, nipedine. These points are important. Okay, for this 5 drug, and uses, formulation, and the brand name for only 3 drugs are important. Next class under the cardiovascular drug, that is the vasodilators. What is vasodilator? The drugs causing dilation of blood vessels are called as vasodilation. Classification, they are classified into 2 groups: peripheral vasodilator, example tolazoline, and the coronary vasodilators, example glycerol trinitrate or ethyl nitrate. Drug under the vasodilator, that is the glycerol trinitrate. It is also known as the nitroglycerin. Properties: clear, colorless, oily, volatile liquid, odorless, sweet in taste. It is soluble in water and the glycerol and alcohol. It explodes on the rapid heating. Okay, it is explored on the rapid heating. Uses: it is used for the prophylaxis and the relief of angina pectoris. It is used for relief of coronary artery spasm. It is used to treat myocardial infarction. Also, it is used in the congestive heart failure. Pharmaceutical formulation, glycerol trinitrate tablets, concentrate glycerol trinitrate solution, glycerol trinitrate lingual aerosols, brand name trinitrine. Okay, trinitrine. Next was under the cardiovascular drug, lipid lowering agent, or it is also known as the anti-hyperlipidemic agent. Okay, so what is hyperlipidemia? The hyperlipidemia is condition characterized by elevated plasma lipid level in the form of lipoprotein. The agent which are used to lower plasma lipid are called as a lipid lowering agent or the anti-hyperlipidemic agent. Example, clofebrate, niacin and the nicotinic acid. Drug under the lipid lowering agent, that is clofebrate. Properties: it is a clear colorless liquid, odor having the faint acrid taste, firstly acrid then sweet. It is soluble in water, chloroform and alcohol. Uses: it mainly to treat hyperlipoproteinemia. It is used to treat hyperlipidemia or the hypercholesterolemia. It is used to regret xanthomas. Also, it is used in the treat of ischemic heart diseases. Pharmaceutical formulation: clofebrate capsule, brand name Lipomid and the Atromid. Okay. Thank you. So here your chapter cardiovascular drugs are over. Okay. So today we are see the 4 class under the cardiovascular drug. First one antiarrhythmic agent, second one antihypertensive drugs, third one vasodilators and last one lipid lowering agent. Okay. So in the antiarrhythmic agent they are